What's up, everybody? It's your boy JRE. Right now, we're about to check out XG's new dance. It's called New Dance. I don't know what to expect. I saw teasers a little bit, so I kind of heard the song a little bit. Big shout out to Chancellor Simon. I was able to meet Chancellor when I was watching XG. I was like, when I was watching XG perform Head and Clouds, Chancellor was right next to me the whole time, and we just like dapped up. We knew each other before, you know. I was like, I'm proud of him, blah blah blah, and then you just see me getting hype with him about XG. It's crazy. It's crazy. Go check out Chancellor's music as well. Anyways, XG's new dance. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Ooh, off the bat with the guitar? Let's go, Hinata. Y'all, Harvey got that swag, bro. She got that juice. Look. To the X. Hey. Hey. Nobody. Good times. On the floor. Dude, they look so good. Ooh. Oh, is that? Wait, is that Universal? Like the escalator? No, right? No, maybe not. I thought it was Universal Studios escalator. Hey! Ooh! Ooh! Damn, girl! Hey! Nobody. Okay, that's a vibe to end the summer. Ooh, on the floor to the show. Aw, Harvey. Let's go, Coconut. Ooh. Oh, look at Jordan too, though. Okay, Harvey. Go crazy. Ooh, Maya. Hey. 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 Ooh, I can do this dance too. That's what's crazy. Hey. Let's go, my bias, Hinata. Nah, I love all the girls though. I love that part. All the lit girls get down with the X. Hey, like, and no more XGs. Like, to the X, to the X. Ooh, Miss Ma'am. Oh, this looks fresh. It's crazy. I always question. Wait. Damn, wow. Damn, Hinata. Hey, yo. She's my girl. Them outfits are fire. They're definitely retro, like maybe 2000s, 2000-ish. Oh. Ooh, girl, with the starfish on your ear. You got Patrick. Damn, they got it, y'all. Actually, that group. Woo! Woo! Head bopping. Never gonna let it go. Woo! Hey! 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 Got me dancing. Let's go. It's such an interesting like title. I just learned a new dance, but that's so relatable at the same time. Wait, what's that? Who is that? Who is this? Why'd they zoom into this? What is this like? Is there any like Y2K fits for real? Woo. Nobody. Hey. They just make music that makes me just oh. That looks fire. They just make music that just makes me want to groove and just make me feel happy. I'ma replay this ish. On the floor. To the show. You did. Is that it? Oh, what happened? Ooh, are we H2O mermaids? Wait, what the hell? Okay. Okay, we just added more lore. They're not humans, guys. They're XG. Hold up, we need to get up and dance for this one.
To the X, all the late girls get down with the X. Fly with my girls to the party. We ain't come to bother nobody.
Nobody.
We just gonna have a good time.
That shit go hard. Hey.
See me getting down on the floor.
On the floor.
I walked into the show. I just learned a new dance. They asked me how I do that.
Hey.
Stepped on the floor when I'm killing them. All the cute boys when I dance with me, I'm getting them.
You do. All the cute boys and girls, to be honest. You be stealing hearts everywhere.
Stepped on the floor when I'm killing them. All the cute boys when I dance with me, I'm getting them.
Woo!
I just put my hands up on my hips and I do a little step on my feet.
Bro, if you bias, Juden, I understand why. I understand why. My girlfriend, that's her bias, is Juden. Ever since she first saw Tippy Toes, she's like, that's her. Actually, Shannon, literally, when we sometimes I like showing Shannon like the new like music I listen to, and she shows me like the music I'm listening to. She chooses like, oh, who's that? And I'm like, that's Juden. A summer song with the bump too, even though it's a little bit late for a summer song, but it's not late for an XG summer song. Mine can rap though. Woo. Okay. Hey, the vocalist in this group too, fire. Dance, you better kill it, Miss Ma'am. Hey. This got me feeling like I need to go into Miami in a yacht, just with my drink in my hand, just like with like a shirt, no shirt, but like a throw on, and just like their music is just so groovy. Okay, Harvey. Yacht party, everyone? I would love a yacht party. I actually never been. I wish. I don't know. Every time I listen to XG, I feel rich. Nobody. I could use a getaway too, to be honest. After this New York trip, I'm not going anywhere else for a minute. I love the slow breakdown right here. This is adorable. Like this shot right here is crazy. Better get what? Better gift shop. Ooh. Hey. They got the bowling alley feel too. Hey. Oh, them shorts. Oh, she got like I feel like I wore these shorts before. Like the extra like long ass like basketball shorts feel. I'm looking at the outfits. Ooh, are those cloud shorts? That's fire. They all look good. Y2K vibes. Hey. New dance. Hey. Coconut is so swaggy, bro. I don't even use that term. What? I don't even know why I said that. But you know what I mean. Aw, Harvey's adorable. I don't understand this shot though. I'm really. Oh, like switched up? Are they controlling? He's doing the dance, obviously. Hey! On the floor! Hey! And then she did this? What she teleported? This is so random, actually. I don't know how to explain that. Whose man is that? Cause he killed it. No, real talk. XG. Like I said before, y'all. Freaking XG. Oh, you know what? They did perform I Am the Best at KCON. I wasn't able to see this. Is this the only like let's just watch it. Let's just watch it. The fact that they performed To Anyone already took my heart. You already got me. The fact that I wish I was there, but you know what, KCON. Anyway.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.